Okay, why does the light keep flickering on and off like that?
Great question, Kai. When a light keeps turning on and off like that, it usually means the electricity flowing to it isn't steady, or something is interrupting it.
Okay, electricity, like the stuff that powers everything around us every day?
Exactly! Let's head to the lab so we can take a closer look and figure out how electricity really works. Welcome back to the lab, guys. Today, let's talk about electricity. Electricity is a type of energy that comes from tiny moving particles called electrons. Everything around us is made of atoms, and inside those atoms are even smaller parts called electrons. When electrons start moving together, that movement creates electricity. Okay, so it's basically tiny energy moving around through those particles? Exactly. And when those electrons move in a path, we call that a current. A battery gives energy to push electrons through a circuit. Watch this. Right now the circuit is open, so nothing is moving. But when I close the circuit, the electrons can flow all the way through. When the circuit is complete, electricity flows and powers things like lights. But if the path is broken, the electricity stops flowing and the light turns off. Sometimes electricity builds up and stays in one place instead of moving, and that's called static electricity. You might notice your hair standing up a little when static electricity builds up and pushes the strands away from each other. A long time ago, scientists were just as curious as we are, and they wanted to understand how electricity really works. A long time ago, an early scientist used a kite during a storm to study electricity and learn how it works. As the storm clouds filled the air with energy, that energy slowly traveled down the kite string and began building up on the metal key. When he moved his hand close to the key, a tiny spark jumped from it, showing that electricity was there. That tiny spark helped him prove that lightning is a powerful form of electricity. Thanks to discoveries like that, we understand electricity much better today. Electricity powers so many things around us every day, like lights, computers, and even the games you love to play. So remember, electricity is energy made by moving electrons, and those electrons travel through a complete path called a circuit. All right, scientists, let's see what you learned with a quick question. Here's your question. What do we call the path that electricity travels through? Take a moment and think about it.
Okay. I think I know this one.
The answer is, a circuit. Great job, scientists. Nice thinking, scientists. You're really getting the hang of how electricity works. Remember, keep asking questions, stay curious, and I'll see you next time in Nova's Lab. Thanks for visiting Nova's Lab. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome science content.